Today, let's forget about earning an extra $1,000 or $10,000 for now and focus on something even more important, making your first $100 outside of your job. Because most people skip this critical step, and that's exactly why they never hit their bigger goals. And in this video, we'll show you why your first $100 matters more than any big payday, and how it lays the foundation for creating new income streams that work for you fast. And by the end of this video, you'll know the 3 simplest ways to make your first $100 outside your job, and why this breakthrough is the key to bigger, consistent wins down the road. So let's get into it.
Hey, we're Paul and Sarah. For the past decade, we've been working for ourselves, creating a life that we love while traveling the world with our kids and our pets. And today, we're showing you how you can start making money on your terms right now, starting with your first $100 and why it matters so much.
The reason it matters is because 1, it's proof that you can create income on your own. 2, because it builds your confidence in your momentum to keep going. And 3, because it's your first step towards real financial control and money actually in the bank. So the reason you probably aren't making any money outside your job right now is because you're likely overthinking the process. Guilty right here. You make things way too complicated inside your own head from thinking too big and wanting big results off the bat. I say this because that's where we used to be when we would try every get-rich-quick business opportunity that would present itself. We've tried multiple MLMs, affiliate marketing, drop shipping, you name it, we have likely tried it. And listen, all of these things do work. We learned a ton of skills and know-how from each and every opportunity that we try. So I'm definitely not knocking them in any way. But in the beginning, to be real, we just wanted the money right now because we figured that would solve all of our problems. And maybe you can relate to this. Let us know in the comments if you do.
The real problem is, in fact, there is no magic bullet. Get rich quick, really, it just does not exist because it takes time and effort to learn the real skills to achieve those results, which you can begin to learn along the way. This is why that first $100 matters. It's totally doable, and it doesn't matter how you do it. The point is that you do it, and then you do it again, and then you do it again, and then you do it again. That's how you build the confidence and momentum that we discussed earlier. Your belief that you can do it because you've already done it starts this amazing chain reaction, and you will keep doing it more and more and more. You don't have to put all that pressure on yourself or excuses why you just can't do it and make $10,000 in your first at bat. You're just looking to make $100 right now. That's it.
So here are 3 ways to earn your first $100 fast, okay? Help someone with a skill you're already good at. 2, offer a simple done-for-you service. Or 3, sell something easy to make or something that you can repurpose. So here are some examples to get started today. For example, you could help someone with a skill that you're already good at. It can be organizing, budgeting, tutoring. Maybe you're really great at Excel sheets.
This is where our first one came from because I was good at taking pictures.
Yeah.
I grabbed a little part-time thing, making $50 to go and take pictures of a house, and then I built from there.
You could offer a simple done-for-you service. Maybe you're really great at creating resumes. You are good at setting up tech or fixing something really small. Or you could sell something that's easy for you to make or repurpose. Maybe it's an upcycled item off of a marketplace or something that you have in your own house. Or maybe you could sell a simple digital template. There's something that you're really good at that you could turn around and sell for a small amount of money. And your first $100 is closer than you think. And if you don't know where to begin or what you can do, here are some simple steps that you can take to start.
So the first thing that we always love to do is a brain dump. You're going to grab a piece of paper and you're going to write down everything that you're good at and know how to do. It can be from job, your hobbies, your DIY skills, the things you do on the weekend with the boys. Just write it all down. Next, you want to ask your friends, your family, your coworkers what they think that you are really great at doing. They'll give you answers that you never even thought of because you just take it so for granted. You can ask them, what are things that you need help with in your life or in your business? Ask them out of just genuine curiosity, and you'll probably be surprised by what you learn. Literally, our first business that was successful was built off of a curiosity email that was literally sent out asking people what kind of services that they were looking for, what was a price range that they were willing to pay, and how we could possibly help them. And it went from there. Next, if you've never used AI to help you, now is the time to start. I know AI is scary, but it's not. It can be so simple. We use ChatGPT. There's tons of different things out there to choose from, but this is the one that we find works best for us. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to your AI of choice. Again, ours is ChatGPT. You're going to tell it exactly what you want to do. You're going to tell it that you're trying to find ways to make an extra $100. And then you're going to take that list that you made above of all the skills and abilities that we made, and you're going to ask it for ideas that it could have for you. And believe me, it will tell you. It's going to give you more stuff than you probably know what to do with. But keep asking questions. How would you do it? What's the quickest, the easiest? Like, use it like your personal assistant. It's great. And let's be honest, it's yet another skill that you want to be learning how to use, because AI, it's not going anywhere, and it's going to make your life so much easier. You're going to need to learn how to use it properly as you grow in a business, but it will be able to condense your current work time. Best of all, it's so happy to help you right now figure out how to make that $100.
Let us know in the comments. Do you currently use AI, either personally, for work, or for school? Share with us how you use it and what it's helped you with.
Or are you scared of it? Are you thinking that it's going to take over your job?
Now, if all of this seems like it's too much for you, let's make this even simpler, okay? Go onto your local marketplace, whether it's Facebook Marketplace, Craigslist, or Kijiji. Those are just examples of one that I know. Whatever is popular in your local area, and do a search for cash jobs. Every day, people on there need help and are willing to pay for it. Maybe they need help moving or help delivering an item. They need someone to build their IKEA furniture or help creating that resume or Excel sheet. You would be amazed by what you find when you start looking. Heck, we used to be extras on TV film sets, and it was awesome. You get paid pretty well for your time. You get to witness how it's all done behind the scenes. There is no limit to what you can find when you actively start looking for it. But here is the real win. The real win is confidence and money in the bank. The how does not matter whatsoever, because earning your first $100 shows you what's possible. If you can make $100, you can make $500, and then you can make $1,000, because every dollar you earn on your terms puts control and money back in your hands.
What if you challenge yourself right now, like right now, and committed to finding a way to make $100 to $150 this week, and for the next 3 weeks after that? That would net you an extra $400 to $600 this month alone. Would that make a difference to you? Would it make the bills easier to pay? Buy some extra groceries or the clothes that you might be needing or wanting? Maybe you just want to take your family out on a nice dinner and not have to worry about the bill that comes at the end. Let us know in the comments below, what would an extra $400 to $600 mean to you this month? Whatever it is, let that be your fuel, your why to make the commitment and get it done. Again, keep it so super simple. Pick something easy to start and use the steps we gave you above. Commit to the next 4 weeks and see where it takes you. You can even go as simple as selling some of the things you own to make cash and declutter at the same time. Like, it's a win-win. Remember, earning your first $100 outside of a paycheck, it might sound small, but it is huge.
It really doesn't matter how you get it done. It matters that you start somewhere and get results, because it's almost like a habit. You have to train yourself that you can make extra money outside your job. And honestly, the more that you do it, the more you're going to want to do it more. And you're going to open up opportunities that weren't there, because you don't know who you're going to meet on the way. You don't know what little paths might open up to you just by taking these small and seemingly insignificant steps. And it's important because it's proof that you can create income on your terms. It builds your confidence to aim higher, and it's your first step towards financial control. So remember, start super small, offer a service to someone you know, sell a small, easy to make product, help someone with a specific task they need done.
We are living in a completely outdated and broken system. And your way out of it is to start proving to yourself that you can create your own income. And it starts with your first $100. The sooner you take a small step, the sooner you can begin to build the confidence that leads to the next step and then the next. The paths and opportunities will begin to present themselves to you as soon as you start taking action. Thank you for spending your time with us today. We know how valuable it is, and we want nothing more than for you to get out there, start taking charge of your own life, and realizing just how much value you really have and can offer outside of your job. The truth is, you deserve a life where you call the shots, a life that supports your dreams, your goals, not one that just drains them. The time to start is now.
If you want to dive deeper, you can check out our free guide, The $1,000+ Shortcut, Why Most Hustles Fail and What Actually Works. And in it, you'll learn why the side hustles have failed you and what you can do instead. And you'll learn exactly how to identify your most valuable skills, package those skills to monetize them, and to start earning 1,000+ fast on your terms. So click the link in the description box below or find it in the pinned comment section to grab your free guide now. And don't wait, because your first step towards a life on your terms and putting real cash in the bank now starts here. So grab your first $100 and then grab our guide to turn that into $1,000. And we'd love to hear from you. Please drop your comments and questions below so that we can help you get the answers you need, because we are rooting for you. Just imagine replacing your paycheck with income streams that grow as you do. And that's the power of choosing to work for yourself. And if you found value in today's video, don't forget to like and subscribe. It helps us reach more amazing people just like you who are ready to live life on their own terms.
Because at the end of the day, it's not about the paycheck. It's about the life you design for yourself. There is no one way to do life. There's just your life, your way. See you next time.